Nice, no more kind of drip now, so I'm gonna put my plug back. Okay. Okay. The washer is still new, so I'm gonna use it still. And I tied them up. It's tight enough, not so tight, okay? But not too loose, so the oil won't leak. Okay, should be enough. Come clean the oil filter. Take all one out, okay? All dried. I got a new one. Okay. So put some oil. Change it every 3 or 4,000 miles with synthetic oil, okay? After a hand tie, I like to give it a small twist. That's all you need, okay? Not to put so much. Or your hand tie is good enough, but I just want to put it just a tiny turn. See which way going this way. Not a lot, tiny turn. After hand tie, okay? Yeah, that's all I need. Got it open finally. So my car, it needs 4.2 quart. So this is 4 quart. 4 quart this one, so I add 0.2 more, okay? And using 5W30. Just add 2 more, 2.2 more, that's it. Right here. Thank you for watching.